Are you looking for the best drywall stilts in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drywall stilts that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Yescom 36 to 50 inches aluminum drywall stilts. With adjustable heights of 36 to 50 inches, these products are favorite options that will serve you accordingly. The stilts are, therefore, widely applicable to handle a wide range of operations. That said, they are finished in a wide of colors for easy selection. More interestingly, they have anti-skid rubber soles that will keep them safe on every ground level. That said, the products are easily portable for use in every space needed. They are carefully built using premium quality strong yet lightweight aluminum alloy material. Because of this, they will withstand repeated rigor and offers great stability to serve you better. Again, they have dual action springs for improved flexibility, and with the 3-position heel brackets, they provide a custom fit for all foot sizes. At number 4, Yescom Drywall Stilts 24 to 40 inches Tool Stilts. The adjustable heights of the dry stilts should be a feature for every buyer to consider. This pack of drywall stilts is fully adjustable from 24 to 40 inches and, therefore, great picks to consider. That said, the pieces are built from premium quality aluminum material, which makes them perfect options for your tasks and guarantees an extended lifespan. Furthermore, the stilts have 3-position heel brackets that ensure that they fit most sizes of feet and ensure you stay safe without slipping off. Also, the products are widely applicable for handling a wide range of tasks to serve you better. They are highly flexible products thanks to their dual action springs. At number 3, Pentagon Tool 18 to 30 inches aluminum drywall stilts. When looking for the perfect pair of drywall stilts to serve you better, here is a pack you may consider. The units are widely applicable to handle most tasks like painting, electrical, and more. That said, they are built using quality lightweight aluminum material that will guarantee extended use. They also feature premium-grade rubber soles to keep them safe from slipping. The stilts are very sturdy since they support up to 228 pounds, hence a great option to check out. The products support 228 pounds, which makes them a favorite for most users. You can also adjust the height of these products from 18 inches to 30 inches to serve accordingly in every space. They are very safe, and with the self-locking metal buckles, you will get them great picks for your tasks. At number 2, SurPro Dual Legs Magnesium Drywall Stilts. Built using the highest quality magnesium material that will provide better stability and prolonged use. This product adopts quad-lock technology for maximum security. Besides this, the stilts have an exclusive wing bolt design that provides great versatility and flexibility. What is more, the drywall stilts have an interlock side pole bracket that aids in supporting the poles perfectly. Additionally, the products have wider patented designs and are built, which makes them lightweight and, therefore, great options you never want to miss. The drywall stilts are widely applicable for electrical, painting, and drop ceilings among others. These products are lightweight and portable to use whenever needed. Again, the products have interlooping straps for better use and enhanced safety for the users. Lastly, they are cost-effective pieces that will suit your budget. At number 1, Pentagon Tool Professional 24 to 40 inches drywall stilt. Featuring quality self-locking metal buckles, these drywall stilts are very safe and secure. This means that you can use them reliably for your tasks. To add more, they are products of quality strong lightweight aluminum alloy to withstand better performance and stability. Also, these products are widely applicable to serve better, and with the lightweight portable design, they are very convenient. These drywall stilts are fully adjustable from 24 to 40 inches and, therefore, ideal to use in most spaces. Also, the products have anti-skid rubber soles to stay safe on every ground. Other than this, they have dual action springs to bring about better flexibility. With the lower affordable price, they are a great buy you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.